Hello everyone, welcome back to Tongx channel. So today I want to show you how to install an application on your iPhone. So if you use iPhone, there is specific applications that you have to use when you want to install an application, which is an app store. So now we just need to open the app store and type what application that you want to get. For me, I want to get the PowerPoint. So just click and looking for the Microsoft PowerPoint. After you get it, just click the get options and then you will be generated into the next step to get it installed. Double click to install, so it means you need to double click on the power button and then let the phone generate it. Hold on, and now the application is on the process to install in your phone. So when it's already installed, now you can operate the applications that already installed. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you found this information is quite useful for you, please don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.